Okay guys, welcome to the next section in our learners training. So this section is about rules of the road. So we'll spend quite some time on this section because there are a few rules that we have to understand. I encourage you not to try to memorize what is written in the learner's manual, but try to understand how the rules apply to you as a new driver. So the first rule that we'll look at in this video is that vehicles are driven on the left. So the video will cover driving on the left side of the road, when to drive on the right side of the road. Right. So as you can see, if that is our road and is divided into two lanes with traffic moving in different directions, it means if you are facing up, your left will be of course on your left. If you are facing down, your left will be on your left facing down. So you must always check your left based on which direction you are facing as a driver, which means in your car. So the rule says you drive only on the left side of the road. So as you can see, the yellow car is driving on its side, the red car is driving on its side. So that is straightforward. Alright, so there are times when you can drive on the right side of the road instead of the left. So you can do that as long as you're not obstructing or endangering any other traffic or property. And when there is a sign that doesn't prohibit you from going to the right, sometimes there is a no overtaking sign, so in that case you are prohibited from going on the other lane, which is the right lane. And sometimes the police officer might have a roadblock mounted on the left lane, so now he is directing you to use the right lane. So in such compliance to the traffic officer, then you can drive on the right side. So also, the most common instance where you drive on the right is when you are overtaking another vehicle moving in the same direction. So you always overtake on the right. So in that case, you go to the right lane. So as you can see, these cars, red one is overtaking yellow one, so it will move to the right and then go back to the left after overtaking. So we can illustrate this. As you can see, we were driving here. There you go. As you can see, this car is driving on the right because it was overtaking my car. So it's allowed to drive on the right, and then after overtaking, as you can see, it's right in front of me, it can now come back to the left lane. Similarly, that white bakkie also was on going to the right, and now it came back to the left after overtaking. So those are the situations where you can be allowed to drive on the right. Thank you for watching this video. Let's continue with our online course, and I hope you are getting value for your time. If you have any questions, please feel free to post them in the comments below. See you in the next video.